Welcome learner, my name is Shibaji Debnath. Last tutorial I was talk about login screen design like this, and this tutorial I will be talk about forget password screen and restart screen designing part. If you are new in my YouTube channel and if you are watching this video first time on this channel, so I inform you I already making so many videos for Flutter app development using GetX package. If you are interested for real app development for mobile applications, you can see my previous videos where we can explain step by step in details foundation of GetX CLI and how can create GetX pattern for mobile application development for our applications, and we are actually currently working with GetX clean architecture. In last video and this video will be covered on designing part. So for that purpose, last video I create a simple login screen like this, and in this video I will be talk about forget password screen and register screen because these three screens are required for the application authentication. Now we are firstly start the design for forget password screen. Actually, we are already created these two screens before. Here routing part already here. We have forget path and registered path. Actually, we want to redirect login screen to forget screen. So for that purpose, we can use the forget password. It is the button of this, and so after press this button, we can use get is the prefix of get package calling. After then use the name. Here we can use the name of screen forget. We can use the name of routing path name, which is the forget. After setup it, we can click here and we can get the forget screen. Okay, we can back to the main login screen, and this is the register button, and after this register button we can use the get prefix and to name to named, and here we can use the register of the path. This is the path of the screen. So here I click, and after click we are get the register screen here. Okay, we are don't make any high level design right now. I just design only for the forget screen. Got one input field, another is the button. So this is the actually forget screen. When we are using const keyword, so that means it was static widget. We cannot call any dynamic widget into the static widget. When we are seeing some error, so that means that was not supported the const keyword, but here also required the const keyword. After saving it, we cannot get it as a center align. So if we are not seeing it as a center align, so after that we don't need in this center widget after uses this column. So for that purpose we can remove it. Click on to the bulb sign, and after that we can remove this widget. And if I remove this widget and then save, this is the completely remove. Okay, so right now we can use main axis alignment, and where we can set it as a center. So that means this is the main axis alignment of this widget, and we are placed it as a center. Okay, and if you want to vertically centered, so that time you can use it as a cross axis alignment, and here as also cross axis alignment as a center. And when we are declare it as a cross axis alignment center, but we are not get any effect for the cross axis alignment. Okay, so how can fix this problem? So if you want to fix this problem, so that time you can call wrapper widget is container. Container is the very basic widget where we can wrap every type of widget. It is same like deep tag. Like if you are already know about website designing, so that means it is mostly work as a deep tag. Okay, so here we just input it full screen. Actually, we want to set it as a full screen. It is automatically set up in your screen wide. Give some suggestions. That means we did not require this widget because this widget have so many features and so many input fields are already here. For that purpose, we don't need to use container currently because we need only wide factor need to be used. So for that purpose, here we get suggestions. We can replace with a sized box widget, and if we are use size box widget, we cannot see any changes in our screen. Just copy text form field from here. So this is the text form field and this is the size box. Copy from the login screen and just we are paste it here. After paste it, we get some error. So this is not a problem because here is the constant keyword are applying. So this cost keyword remove from there, and after that we can see it, and after that we can use it here only. And this text input field is okay. Here we just use only. Also we need to be use button. So this time I just simply copy the button from the elevated button here. So just simply copy and paste the elevated button. This time we just simply use it like this, and here I just use the forget reset password now, because if you want to put your email id and after that press this button, after press this button from this section we can send the request with your username or email id to the server side. Okay, so this is the actually main thing. And I just want to change it as a container because I want use padding into our container. So for that purpose, simply change the widget container, and here we just adding the padding, and here we can use padding value 8.0. And same thing actually we can do for register screen also. So for that purpose we just simply copy and paste all the thing, and after that we can open the register screen. And here we can put as a const value, and here we can use the main axis alignment, and main axis alignment will be center. Now we can go for the register screen. Okay, so this is the register. After this registration part we can apply the input field. Two input field we can be used here. Full name of the user, and after that we can not username. Here we can use input email id, and we can use here email id. Okay, email address. After that we can use the password field. Okay, so this three input field actually required. After this field uses, we can use it as a padding here, and both are same thing because last time we are using the container here. but this time I am using padding. Now we can use a button here. So this is the actually screen design, and next video I will be talk about how can interactivity in our screen part, and this is actually our tutorial. If you like this video, so hit the like button, and if you are new in my YouTube channel, so definitely subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon button for the quick notifications. We will be meet with you next learning video.